Are you tired of the endless grind? That feeling of running on a hamster wheel, working harder and harder but never quite getting ahead? We've all been there, staring at a pile of bills, wondering if there's a better way. What if I told you that the key to unlocking a new stream of income, potentially an extra $100 a day, isn't about working harder, but working smarter? What if I told you that this key is not only powerful, but also completely free? This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of artificial intelligence, and it's more accessible than you could ever imagine. Forget the complex code and the intimidating jargon. Today, I'm going to show you 5 revolutionary free AI tools that can put real money in your pocket, starting right now. First up, let's talk about the undisputed king of content, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal writing intern who never sleeps, never complains, and is brimming with ideas. Every single day, businesses, entrepreneurs, and creators are desperate for high-quality written content. They need blog posts to attract customers, social media content to engage their audience, and compelling product descriptions to drive sales. This is where you come in. Using ChatGPT, you can become a one-person content agency overnight. You can ask it to brainstorm a list of blog topics for a local coffee shop, generate an entire month's worth of Instagram captions for a fitness coach, or write persuasive SEO-optimized product descriptions for an e-commerce store. The AI does the heavy lifting, creating a solid draft in seconds. Your job is to be the editor-in-chief. Refine the text, add a human touch, fact-check the details, and tailor it to the client's unique voice. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are charging anywhere from $50 for a simple social media package to over $200 for a well-researched article. Imagine securing just one client who needs 4 blog posts a month. At $150 per post, that's an extra $600 a month from a single client powered by a free tool. That's tool number 1, already paving your way to financial flexibility. Next, let's enter the world of video with a tool called Pictory. We all know video is king on the internet, but creating it has always been a major hurdle. It requires time, expensive software, and technical skill. Pictory demolishes that barrier. It's a text-to-video wizard that transforms any script or article into a dynamic, engaging video in minutes. It automatically finds stunning royalty-free stock footage, adds captions, and syncs it all to music. The biggest opportunity here? YouTube automation, also known as Faceless channels. You can pick a popular niche like history, psychology, or luxury travel, use ChatGPT to write the scripts, and then plug those scripts into Pictory to generate an endless stream of content. You don't ever have to show your face or own a camera. People are building entire media empires from their bedrooms, earning anywhere from $100 to $500 a day from YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. Beyond YouTube, you can offer video creation services directly to businesses. Think about it. Every business needs short-form videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok. You can take their blog posts and instantly repurpose them into eye-catching videos, charging a premium for the service. Tool number 3 is a name you might already know, but supercharged with AI, Canva. Good design is no longer a luxury reserved for big companies with massive budgets. Canva's AI-powered features like Magic Design have made it possible for anyone to create stunning visuals. This opens up a massive market for you. You can offer services creating entire branding kits for new startups, logos, color palettes, and font guides, all generated and refined within Canva. You can sell social media graphic packages, providing businesses with a month's worth of beautiful on-brand templates for their posts and stories. But perhaps the most powerful strategy is creating and selling digital products on platforms like Etsy. Think about it. You design one resume template, one wedding invitation suite, or one digital planner, and you can sell it thousands of times over. It's the ultimate passive income model. You do the work once, and it continues to earn you money while you sleep. With top sellers on Etsy making thousands a month, charging $75 to $150 for a custom design package on Fiverr is an easy and achievable goal. Now, let's give our content a voice with tool number 4, 11 Labs. This isn't like the robotic computer voices of the past. 11 Labs creates stunningly realistic, human-like AI voices that are rich with emotion and inflection. The quality is so high that it's virtually indistinguishable from a professional voice actor. This unlocks a whole new category of services. You can offer voiceover work for YouTubers, podcasters, and corporate training videos. Remember those faceless channels we talked about with Pictory? Now you can provide the complete package: the script from ChatGPT, the video from Pictory, and the professional narration from 11 Labs. The audiobook market is another goldmine. Independent authors are constantly looking for affordable ways to turn their books into audiobooks. You can offer your services on platforms like ACX, charging by the finished audio hour. With rates for voice work starting at $100 and going up to $300 or more for a single project, 11 Labs provides the talent, and you collect the payment. Finally, tool number 5 is your secret weapon for sales: Copy.ai. While ChatGPT is a brilliant generalist, Copy.ai is a specialist. It has been trained specifically on marketing copy that is designed to do one thing: convert. It understands the psychology of sales and persuasion. Businesses will pay top dollar for this skill because good copy directly translates into more revenue. You can use Copy.ai to write high-converting Facebook and Google ads, persuasive email marketing campaigns, and compelling website landing pages. This is a premium service. You're not just selling words, you're selling results. You can offer to write a 5-part email welcome sequence for an online store for $200, or rewrite a company's entire homepage for $500 or more. The tool makes the complex art of copywriting accessible to everyone, allowing you to deliver incredible value to businesses and charge accordingly. So there you have it. ChatGPT for content, Pictory for video, Canva for design, 11 Labs for voice, and Copy.ai for sales. This is your complete AI freelancer toolkit. The barrier to entry for starting a profitable side hustle has never been lower. This isn't about being a tech genius. It's about being creative, resourceful, and taking action. The opportunity is right in front of you, and it's completely free to start. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these tools, just one, and spend this week trying to land your very first client. If you found this guide valuable, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we are just scratching the surface of this incredible AI revolution. Let me know in the comments which tool you're going to try first. Now go build